Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to create a custom template from scratch on Wix Studio. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Custom Templates on the left. Click Create Template and select either Start from a blank Studio canvas or Start from a blank Wix canvas. It depends on which editor you'd like to create your template with. Next, enter the name of your new template here. And once you're done, click Create Template. A new tab will open the Wix Studio Editor along with a blank canvas. So here, customize your template using the tools on the left toolbar. You can also edit an element when you click on it. A floating menu will appear. Apart from that, this panel on the right will appear where you can configure it further. The items that will display on the right panel will depend on what element you click on. So design your template here however you like. Once you're done, you can preview it by clicking here. By the way, your progress will automatically be saved as autosave is turned on. And once you've finished designing it, you'll now have a newly designed or newly created template, which you can find here on your custom templates dashboard. You can then use these templates for your future projects or even sell them if you want to. And that's it. That's how you create a template from scratch on the Wix Studio Workspace. Hope you found this video of help. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.